Good morning. Today we're going to do a little review with fractions because next week after the break, we're going to jump right into comparing fractions. We have to remember what they're all about. So this is page 465. And the name of this is fractions of a whole. And you guys are getting pretty good at this, so I think you're going to be okay. So here is our first direction. Write the fraction that names each part. Write a fraction in words and in numbers to name the shaded part. So when we're looking at this, we really need to go in and look at our shape and think, how many parts is it in? So let's go ahead and count the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it has 6 parts and it says, write the fraction that names each part. So if I just took one of those parts, it would be called a sixth. So each part is 1/6. And the part that's shaded is 1, 2, 3. So we would write the number word 3, 6. And then it wants you on the bottom to go ahead and write the fraction. So 3 out of 6, 3 6. All right, so let's go ahead and do number 2. Well, actually, no, you can do number 2 because there's only 2 of these anyway. All right, and the next part says shade the fraction circles to model the fraction, then write the fraction in numbers. Okay, so this time we're going to write it in numbers instead of words. So we have to shade it. It says 4 out of 6. So we have to shade 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have to write the fraction. Now our numerator is how many pieces we are counting. We're counting the shaded ones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And our denominator is how many pieces are in the whole or in the group. And our whole is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. Okay. And you guys can do the other one on your own, I'm sure of it. All right, let's do problem solving. And of course, when we do problem solving, we read the problem through once. We underline what it's asking us to find, and then we circle the important information. Emma, hi Emma. Emma makes a poster for the school's spring concert. She divides the poster into 8 equal parts. She uses 2 of the parts for the title. What fraction of the poster, just like in class, always pops up. What fraction of the poster does Emma use for the title? So here it's asking us to find what fraction of the poster does Emma use for the title? All right, so we know she makes a poster and she divides the poster into how many equal parts? That's right, into 8. So that is our whole. So is that going to be the numerator or the denominator? You're right, it is going to be our denominator because our denominator is how many parts are in the whole or in the group. And then she uses 2 of the parts for the title. So those are the parts we are counting, and the counting goes on the top, which is the numerator. So the answer to this is 2/8. All right, so number 6 is very similar to this, and you guys will get it. You just got to slow it down and read carefully. And I want you to go ahead and do number 7. All right, and for our quiz portion, you just have to write the fraction for both of those, and then our review is you have to do some addition and subtraction word problems. You guys got this. Have a good rest of your day.